Hey guys, so I'm basically just here from the future to apologize that this video is so late, that I've taken so long to put it together and whatnot. Yeah, sorry, life just got in the way, you know, varsity and work and yeah, all that lovely stuff. But yeah, so the video that precedes this video is the one where I was at Hole in the Wall. I shot there with the 2 drone videos and also the vlog. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you didn't see that, then you should definitely check that out. There's a little link up here. Just click on that, follow it. Go watch that video first. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys enjoy all my videos actually. If you do, just like leave a thumbs up down below. Like I really do appreciate it. It makes a big difference. And if you really enjoy the videos, hit that subscribe button. I think it's down this side. No, that side. Yeah, down there. Hit that subscribe button, please. It makes a huge difference. But yeah, otherwise, enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Good morning, beautiful people of the world. Welcome to episode 7 of my vlog and part 3 of my road trip down through the Transkei, down from Durban to Cape Town. Yeah, today we're starting off here at Coffee Bay. We stayed there at the Ocean View Hotel in the background, somewhere there. And yeah, we're heading down to the Addo National Elephant Park, which is going to be awesome. But yeah, see you guys along the way and see you there. How's it, guys? Beautiful people of the world. We are here in Addo. Elephants, guys! Hey guys, we're busy riding elephants at the moment over here in Addo. Yeah, it's really cool.
African sky blue, your children wait for the dawn. African sky blue, soon a new day will be born. African sky blue, will you bless my life? African sunshine, soon you will warm your children's eyes.
Absolutely phenomenal. These are such big, gentle, giant beasts, but they really are so friendly. We got to ride them and we got to feed them, we got to pet them, and yeah, no, it was really, really amazing. Pricey, but so worth it. Once in a lifetime experience. But yeah, so now they're offering us a continental breakfast, which is back here, which is really nice. Yeah, it started raining a bit while we were out, but the rain didn't really bother. Yeah, no, it was such a good experience, so the rain really didn't make a difference, just got a bit wet, but that's fine. But yeah, so that was, yeah. But I think now it's on to the Addo National Park. Gonna do a bit of a game drive, look around, see what we can see some wild elephants, and see you guys out there.
The African river water will dance and leap in your morning light. African sunshine, African river water, will you bless my life? Oh, will you bless my life? Oh, will you bless my life? Oh, will you bless my life? What can I know? What can I dream? What can I hope? What will the future bring? You shine through me, but will you see me through? African sky blue. African thunderstorm, your soldiers march through the air. The African rain will fall and wash away all my tears. African falling rain, African falling rain, will you bless my life? Oh, will you bless my life? Oh, will you bless my life? Oh, will you bless my life? The warrior's now a worker, and his war is underground. With cordite in the darkness, he milks the bleeding veins of gold. When the smoking rock face murmurs, he always thinks of you. African sky blue, will you see him through?
Hey guys, so we just came back from the Addo Elephant National Park. Sorry I don't speak to you guys a bit more, we managed to run a bit late. Yeah, we only left the park half an hour after the gates closed, yeah, so they weren't too happy with us, but it's okay, we're here. But yeah, so guys, that brings part 3 of this road trip to an end. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like down below. Please subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in part 4 tomorrow morning. So that's very exciting, and obviously I'll keep you updated along the way. But other than that, see you tomorrow guys. Cheers.